Hello and welcome to the Growth Vantage Podcast. My name is Gary Vita and I'm your host. In this episode, we're going to talk about one way to increase your happiness as well as to strengthen your relationships. The reason why want to talk about this is because so many times in life we just go, and there's so many relationships that we want to keep, but they end up disseminating. And so I want to share with you one way that actually strengthen those relationships as well as at the same time increase your happiness. Uh, I kind of thought about this episode because I've heard other people on the podcast, like Ed Milet and other people, they really talk about, I just lost in touch with blah, blah, blah. And so really thinking about that, I really just wanted to make sure that, like, as I grow on this journey, that I keep the relationships, no matter how distant they are, how busy they are, no busy I am, I can still maintain that relationship. And it's super simple and it's super quick and easy. Here's what I do. Every 2 weeks, I text two people, one business professional as well as one personal relationship. And I text them, hi, in their name. Just wanted to say hi and hope you are doing well. The reason why I do it is because I know time is very busy and I want to open up the conversation to them. I want them to really know that, hey, I'm thinking about you. I hope you're doing well. I know how it's been, however long it is. Just want to touch base with you real quick, not too long conversation. Let's see how you're doing. And I do this for a couple of reasons. I really just genuinely want to see how they're doing. So many times in our life and throughout their day, I'm sure you think of so many people that you kind of like, oh yeah, I don't know how they're doing. How did their birthday go, or how did they? I saw on Instagram, I saw that they had an event for their daughter or their cousin. I'm kind of curious how that went. And same with our business professionals. And so this is an easy way to really slide into their life for really quick and really easy. And another thing I did learn from it is that it really makes such a big difference on them as well as on us. It shows that, hey, I care about you. This is an important relationship to me, and I want to maintain this, or I want to grow this. And you'll see, like, over time that, like, as you do it more, you actually get more excited to do it. Like, I actually get excited and anxious about it in a good way. That, like, oh man, I can't wait to text so and so. I haven't seen them like forever. Let's see how they are doing, yada yada yada. And I think that's just so important for, like, you as well, because things happen all the time. Work is stressful. Things go sideways, and so this little 30 seconds or however long it takes you to text them can really boost that confidence, can boost your emotions, can boost your happiness instantly. And it doesn't take long. It takes me, what, like 30 seconds? Now it's just, after I text them, now I'm just waiting back to have a conversation with them. Another thing that's really important when you do this is that it really tests the relationship. It tests it in a good way because you want to see where you're at in your seasons for you as well as for them. Sometimes I've noticed that some people don't respond at all, which is pretty shocking to some people. Most of the people that I've texted that have not responded have been in the personal relationships, and people that are on the more business professional side, they've actually had a full-on conversation with me, and I kind of thought coming into this, it was gonna be like the opposite. Personal relationships are gonna catch up. Hey, how are you doing? It's been a while, blah 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 blah. While I thought the business professional would be just more like super brief, but it was like contrary. And no matter how much or how little they respond to you, it's a good indication of, like, hey, is this a relationship that should be moving forward, or maybe is there something that's in the life that's happening that's causing them not to follow up with you? Maybe you need to follow up again, or maybe it's just you're supposed to be in that person's life for a season, or maybe vice versa. And whatever the answer is, it's okay. It's a good indication for you whether you need to uh, keep maintaining that relationship or just move on and be more consistent with other relationships. And it's okay. People have certain things in their life they need to take care of and have relationships that they do want and don't want, and you're not part of their life or not part of their season. Totally fine. No matter what route you choose, you can do it 2 weeks like how I do, or you can do it more frequently or more consistently. I chose to do it every 2 weeks because I wanted my body to adjust more naturally, and I felt it was sufficient and allowed my body to be more consistent with it so that it can just gradually flow into it. I chose 2 people because it doesn't take long, and I want to build over time. I want my body to really build a confidence of like doing it more consistently. Once I know my body can understand that it can tackle 2 people, then we'll tackle 4 or whatever that number is. And so it's okay for these types of, I guess, strategy, if you want to call it, to really take your time with it. Life's long, relationships are long. Go based off how your body adjusts and how you mentally, emotionally feel with adjusting to it. Some may want to do more, some may want to do less. Maybe you want to do less in frequency in months, maybe you want to just one person. Whatever it is, it doesn't really matter as long as you're consistent with it, and then over time you start to see yourself do it more consistently and more people, and that's the most important part, as well as really just being present with your relationships. I think that's the main emphasis of this, is to really use this time, use technology, use this time and short amount of 30 seconds that you have just to see how they're doing. Be present with them, allow that relationship to cultivate, really just be there and to share with them like how you're doing. And it's a good way for them to really see how your life is going as well. Because I know some people don't have social media, so they don't have access to content or your life, or maybe you don't post as much. And it's okay. This is the best way to do it. So no matter where you're at in your life, no matter how busy you are, no matter how hard you're going at your goals, take 30 seconds, take a minute to text 2 people, one business, one professional, and you will see your happiness as well as your relationships grow instantly. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.